All right, seventh graders, we're on the DBQ Online Essay Builder, and we are going to talk about the concluding paragraph. On the Essay Builder, it says conclusion, restatement of your thesis along with an insight that clinches your argument. All right, so what does this really mean? Well, the restatement of the thesis shouldn't be too difficult in terms of just hammering home again your reasons. I guess a conclusion, the way to think about a conclusion is this is your last opportunity for the reader to hear your side, to hear what you want them to hear. An insight that clinches your argument is simply something that you can say that causes the reader to think about something when they're done reading. And that's just up to you on how you want to make your closing argument, really. And again, hammer home what you need to, and also give the reader something to think about, some insight as to what you got out of this paper and want to leave them with as they read the last sentence. All right, so that's the best way I can explain a concluding paragraph and what you need to do. It doesn't need to be anything too expansive, just to the point, review, and little insight, and you should be good to go.